Hey, what is going on guys? Cholo here and welcome back to where we take awesome out of the box. Now today we're going to be talking about the latest in Huawei's growing audio family, the Huawei FreeBuds Pro. Alright, so let's quickly unbox the Huawei FreeBuds Pro. It says here we have intelligent dynamic ANC and voice mode, which we will delve into in the video. Let's open her up. Here are the buds, which we will take a look at later. So let's set that aside for now. Let's remove this cover. And we have a box here to open up. Alright, and here we have the documentation. So warranty cards, instructions, the manuals right here. So keep that just in case anything happens to the buds. Right here we have some extra bud tips. So that makes 3 pairs, small, medium, and large. So it's nice of Huawei to give us that option. Aside from that, we have a USB Type-C cable for charging the charging case. Now let's take a look at the buds. Let's remove this. So we have a nice matte dark gray finish, which should stave away fingerprints. I really do like how this looks. We have some branding over here in the hinge area, which is glossy. We have the buds themselves, which are also glossy, which we will talk about a little bit more in the video. So let's begin. After it was announced last September, Huawei is bringing over its 2020 flagship TWS earbuds to the Philippines. Called the FreeBuds Pro, they are an upgrade over last year's FreeBuds 3, this time incorporating an in-ear design for better isolation. Perfect for anyone who loves disconnecting and immersing in their music, we'll see if they'll be your new audio experience. They most definitely mesh well with Huawei's 1 + 8 + N strategy and will bolster your AI Huawei lifestyle. Aside from being very aesthetic with its minimalistic geometric design, the updated look includes a redesigned stock that offers a variety of functions through smart interactions that include tap, slide, and even a pinch. That is definitely a lot more than the usual TWS tapping that I'm used to. We also have a dual anti-wind noise structure which eliminates any whistling sound caused by air friction, so you can get crystal clear calls even during a jog or a run. Not only are they functional but are also very comfortable to wear. With a stable fit, I found no problems using these for a workout. The new design also improves on noise cancellation, with Huawei claiming that they can filter as much as 40 decibels of noise, the quality of which will be tested later in the video. Before we get into that though, let's talk about the many features the buds have to offer. We have the Fusion Call noise reduction with the 3-mic system. That means 2 outward-facing mics pick up the sound from the direction of your voice, while the inward-facing mic makes your voice even more clear. If you think that's impressive, we also have the bone voice sensor. This detects and strengthens voices by interpreting the bone vibration for clear sound delivery. Another neat feature is awareness and voice mode. Using the mics on the buds, awareness mode lets you hear your surroundings very clearly, almost like you weren't wearing buds at all. You better turn these on if you're crossing the street. Now with voice mode, the buds focus and deliver clear voices while getting rid of background noise. So I'm sure you won't miss that Starbucks order even if you're listening to music. Another cool feature is that you can connect the buds to 2 devices at once. That means you can watch a video on your tablet and also answer a call on your phone, all at the same time with the same buds. Being the innovation flagships that they are, the FreeBuds Pro are the first ever dual antenna TWS earbuds ever made. This means each bud features 2 Bluetooth antennas providing 360-degree coverage. If the signal is weak, the buds automatically switch to the other antenna. Aside from being low latency at 180 milliseconds, this ensures a smooth, uninterrupted experience. Just note that the low latency needs EMUI 10.0 or above. And who would want to be interrupted with the stellar sound quality these buds have to offer? You have powerful 11mm dynamic drivers that deliver astonishing sound quality with great balance of mids, highs, and bass. This is only bolstered by the quality of ANC these buds have packed. And we do have very powerful noise cancellation on these. To explain briefly, an inverse frequency is created to cancel the sounds picked up by the mics on the buds. We have 3 modes to this, which should fit anyone's daily needs. First is Ultra, which is perfect for traveling since it can cancel out the noise from a train or even an airplane. Truly for the one who wants to travel and disconnect. Second is General, which can work perfectly in a cafe, restaurant, or on the street. This gets rid of as much noise as possible without putting too much pressure on your ears. Next is Cozy, which can work in places like a library. Also, no more buzzing sound from your computer or your air conditioner. So of course, we had to put these to the test. So we did a little bit of a whisper challenge to see just how good the active noise cancellation was on the Huawei FreeBuds Pro. So what happened was one person would wear the FreeBuds Pros in their ears with active noise cancellation on as well as music playing. Another person would be saying some words while the person with the buds in their ears would try to guess those words to the best of their handicapped ability. And I'm not wearing a mask so that you can see my lips move. Phoenix.
Fee. Fries. Fee. Lings.
Close. Phoenix.
Again.
Phoenix.
I heard it now. Is it? Or no? Did I hear it? It's fries. It's fries.
Yeah, you sure heard it. Phoenix. Last try. Phoenix.
Fee. Next.
Platform.
Caltrops.
Platform.
Blackworm.
Platform.
Mushroom.
Platform.
Lifeform.
Close. Platform.
Platform.
Yay.
Earthworm.
Octopus.
Earthworm. Earthworm.
Octopod.
Earthworm.
Snugpod.
Earthworm.
Ocarina.
No! Earthworm.
Octagon.
Earthworm. Earth.
Grass.
Worm.
What?
Earthworm.
Octoworm. Earthworm.
Yeah, okay. Under Armour.
Architecture.
No! Under Armour.
Octopus.
Does my mouth really look like it's always saying octopus? String beans. String beans.
Gym life.
No, string beans.
Supreme.
String beans.
Gelatin.
No! String beans. String
Gelatin. Gelatin.
String beans.
Germs.
String
What?
beans.
String.
Beans.
Beans.
Yeah.
You're probably wondering how long these will last with all these features. On a single charge, you can listen to music for 7 hours with ANC off and 4.5 hours with it on. This bumps up to 30 hours off and 20 hours on with the charging case. For a call, that'll be 4 hours with ANC off and 3.5 hours with it on. Again, we have 18 hours with it off and then 16 hours with it on, but with the charging case. That is plenty of time, plus you get fast wired charging and wireless charging just in case you need more juice. There you have it. The Huawei FreeBuds Pro pack a huge amount of features and impresses with its amazing ANC, awareness, or voice mode, as well as sound quality and many more. With 2021 around the corner, the Philippines is gonna be busier than ever, and you might just need some ANC to escape from all the noise. The Huawei FreeBuds Pro are priced at 7,999 pesos and you can't go wrong. Check out our link below to grab a pair today. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you enjoyed that video. Hit the notification icon if you want to get them updates when we drop them videos. Once again, I am Cholo and I'll see you guys in the next one.